Good day, good day, good day, good day, all. How are you? I took a break from YouTube for about, I don't know, 2, 3 weeks or something like this. Just had to do some thinking and to prioritize my priorities. so, um, and I come up with the conclusion and I decided to start making weekly vlogs. I'm not saying that I won't be doing them at all, but I'm just not gonna do them weekly. I might will do like every 4 weeks or 6 weeks, just when I really will feel that I have what to share with you guys and what to show you, and that I would want to do it. Not like, because recently for last month or so it more became like a necessity, like it come from the need that I have to, and I really got myself under the stress and pressure, and I'm like, that's not the way it's meant to be, and I'm like, I'm not gonna stress myself out, every week going around with the GoPro trying to catch this amazing Snapchat, then editing, which is I'm not the best at it at all, it requires a lot of technical skills, which I don't have. I like to learn new things, but I cannot afford to spend all my time learning these things, because I still have another plans, ideas and projects on my way. It requires a lot of time, effort and energy, which I don't have at the moment to use on my weekly vlogs. And another thing is that I never meant to when I created this YouTube channel, DIY Natural Skincare, back in April or May, it never meant to be about vlogs, it was all about how to make your own skincare products, natural, organic, and any other stuff, it wasn't about the vlogs, and then I add vlogs after a few months being on YouTube, because that was fun. It was summer, it was fun and I liked it. It was a new challenge for me. I learned some things. There's still a lot to be learned, but so I still will be doing weekly DIY natural skincare recipes, tips, and any other videos, which you will see every Friday on my channel. But there won't be any more weekly on Sundays vlogs. Only, as I mentioned before, I will do like every 4 or 6 weeks from this different perspective about me wanting to share something with you. I will have something to share with you, not like just I go there and I just do a vlog. I'm just gonna do a video about literally anything, about nothing in general. So keep checking my channel, keep checking DIY skincare products and recipes and everything else every Friday, and from time to time, every 4th week or so, you will find some vlogs on my channel as well. So I'm super excited about that, and I see you soon. Thank you. Bye.